random. Watch. See, Von Trick keeps opening and closing. I'm not pressing any keys. And this is just running. I'm not pressing any buttons on the keyboard. There's no buttons being pressed on the keyboard or the mouse. Or nothing's being done on the screen either. There's absolutely nothing going on down here. Nothing, watch. It'll just keep opening and closing itself. Okay, I tricked it. Aw, well, crap, this is some weird bug. Watch, it just keeps opening and closing itself. I'm not even pressing any buttons. This is very weird. I'm at the bottom of this plant.